Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this radio comes from Augie in Palmdale, California. Augie's a collector of very old vehicles, and this radio is meant to go into a 1931 Model A Coupe. Obviously, this is not a 1931 radio because that would have been a tube radio, and Augie just wanted this radio repaired to original stock if possible. Usually it's not possible, at least reliably, but in this case it just had a bad on-off switch and the radio itself was working. I just replaced a few capacitors to make it reliable. And as far as the on-off switch goes, if this would have been a conversion job, then this did have a broken on-off switch. It's stuck in the off position. Pretty much any control that would fit we could make work if it was a converter radio, but since this is going to be original stock, it would have to be the exact control, which is only available from an identical unit, which of course you're not going to find. So the customer was okay with me mounting a little toggle switch right here on the bottom, and you flip it towards you to turn the unit on. So let's go ahead and do that. And so all we have is the one built-in speaker, so all you're going to hear is what comes through my headset mic.
Today with a red flag wind warning.
So that's the one strong AM station I get in my area, and I get very weak ones towards the end of the dial, so we'll try that. Not going to get much. Okay, there's one of them. And there's one that sort of half-ass comes in. So here's the one. That's the one good station we get in my area. So that takes care of it. This is a bare bones radio. There's not even a tone control. It's a built-in speaker, just an AM radio with a volume control and a tuning control, and that's it. So that takes care of it. I'm ready to get on to the next job. This was obviously a pretty simple repair. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My phone number and website are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the less time I spend on the phone, the more time I can put into your unit for top quality workmanship. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.